Hello gorgeous, it's me, Ricarda. Charot. Hello gorgeous, it's me, Rick. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys, I've turned myself into a Morena Beauty. Tingnan niyo kung gaano kalayo guys. I will teach you how to achieve this easy glam look for Morena. So let's get started. Let's start with skincare. I'm excited for today's look. Moisturizer. Ibang level ang makeup mo kapag maganda yung pagkaka-skin prep mo. That's why skincare is important.
Oh yes, Daddy!
Eye cream from SkII. And of course, don't forget your lips. Estee Lauder Lip Potion. Prime time, I will use two. One Radiance and one regular. So first, yung regular primer muna. I will use it on the inner parts of my face. And then I will use the Radiance primer para sa hollows ng face. Yan, may glow na siya agad. I'll also prep my lids with this NARS Smudgeproof Eye Primer. I will correct my under eye with this Becca Undereye Brightening Corrector. Beijing, paubos na. I will just use it sa parts na medyo dark. Yan. Extend it sa may inner ha, kasi dito tayo usually dark. At iba yung freshness na nagagawa kapag nawawala yung darkness dito sa inner area. Foundation time, dadayain ko yung color ko ngayon. I will make it darker. I will use this Lauder Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. I will mix the shades Ganache and Almond. I will use my foundation brush from Sephora.
I got a bad feeling about this.
Putik! I'm gonna do a super Morena look. Morena-fied. Mukha naman ako na sunburn dito. I'll just make my base even with this Makeup Forever HD stick. So I'm using two shades, 123 and 505. Then I will blend it lang with a sponge. Ngayon mukha na akong morenang maganda, hindi na ako mukhang taong grasa. I will do my concealer, Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion 3W. I'll use it na din for highlight. And then blend again. In fairness to me medyo maganda din pala kung morena. GGSS moment.
Nope.
Then I will contour using cream contour from RCMA. Kailangan magmukha tayong supermodel. Kaya dapat humpak yung contour natin. You call this putik contour. Pag gumagamit kayo ng cream contour, mas maganda minsan ilapat nyo muna yung product bago nyo i-blend. Kapag ganito, mas even siya. And also, now it's time to blend. When using cream products, it's better to use synthetic brushes. So, i-blend ko lang siya.
2 hours later.
Okay, then I will apply some liquid highlight from Tom Ford in shade Liquid Sky. I will apply lang to my high points. Okay, I'll just spread it using my fingers. Perfect tong shade na to for Morena kasi may golden shade siya. Golden undertone. Yeah, so if you're Morena, anything na golden is perfect for you.
Oh yes,
Oh,
Daddy!
diba? Fresh glow, golden Buddha, charot. Then I will set my T-zone with my Becca Hydramist Set and Refresh Powder. Morena pa ba to guys? Parang sumobra na ata.
Hey, what?
Then I will set the rest of my face with my Candle Glow Sheer Perfecting Powder from Laura Mercier. Yan. Dab-dab lang para hindi ko maalis yung nalagay kong artificial color ko. Okay, let's do the eyes. I will use this Mario palette from Anastasia. So first, I will get this Lula shade and apply it on the mobile lid. Then I will blend it lang. Then don't forget to blend your edges. I will also use the same shade for my lower lash line. Then next, I will get the deeper shade Violeta to intensify the crease. I will just deepen this crease. If you have morena skin pala, go for the warm shade, so refrain from using cool tones. Ayan na, may rain effect tayo. Then I will get the shade Violeta again for the lower lash line. But I will use it lang halfway, from here to here. Sorry sa rain effect. Then from this Prism Palette from Anastasia, i-add ko lang yung black doon sa violeta para ma-intensify ko pa yung eyes. I will apply sa may crease lang. And here. Then I will blend. Diba? Mas powerful. Then let's go back to the Mario palette. I will use this shade Kim. I will put it in the middle. Then the NYC shade. Then I will get this 5th Avenue shade for my muta. Here. Then back to the Prism palette, I will use this Eternal shade. Then I will dab it to the immediate center lang. Okay, then I will use this brown bronze shade Urban Decay liner na nabura na yung shade. Basta bronze siya na liner. I will use it lang sa my lash line, sa lower, and sa upper. Then I will do a liner with this Inglot Gel liner. Nothing extra for today's liner. I'll just do a mini wing. Then on my waterline lang, this Doyen liner from Tevian. And then curl with my Shiseido. Then Wonder Perfect mascara from Clarins. I'll use it on my top and bottom lashes. And of course lashes, we'll use this new 503 from Fabulash. Okay, and I'm back. Are you ready? Ta-da! Tapos ko na din yung brows ko. Let me know if you also want to know how I did this brows. Medyo mahirap siya pero I think you can do it.
Really?
I'll just powder the T-zone again, this time with Studio Fix MAC. T-zone lang. Contour time. I'm gonna use this one from Kevyn Aucoin in the shade Deep. Of course, nose contour. Then let's do blush. I will use this Becca Chloe Malika palette. And I will use this blush. By the way, this palette is perfect if you have morena skin. Pang morena yung colors niya. Pati yung highlight. Then I'll also use the highlight on the same palette. I also added a bit on my brow bone. And on the tip of my nose. And here. Cupids go. And onto sa chin. Then I'll also bronze the hollows of my face using the same palette. This one. O diba sulit yung palette? Then let's do our lips. I will line my lips first with RMS Beauty Lip Liner in shade Nighttime Nude. Same with the eyeshadow. If you have morena skin, use warm tones. Refrain from using cool tones. Kapag kasi morena ka, tas warm yung skin mo, magbumukhang ashy sa'yo if cool tone yung gamit mong colors.
You serious?
Then I will use this Dior Addict Lacquer Plump in shade Lovely D. Ang ganda nito kapag gusto mo ng poutier lips. You will see. Meron tong plumping effect. Mag-iiba pa siya, tingnan nyo. I think I can add more contour.
Just do it!
Para mas model.
LOL!
And I think more blush. Okay, let's set our face first. Ta-da! Here it is, guys! Our finished look for our Morena Glam Makeup. Naging ibang tao bigla. Here's an extra special wig for you guys.
Wow.
Para mas ma-imagine nyo kung anong itsura niya sa pretty Morena girl. Panindigan na natin tong messy look. Where can your buhag-hag hair take you? Okay, thank you for watching, guys. And please, if you haven't seen my last video yet, click here to watch. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys, and see you on my next video.